Everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to add comment to a Google Sheet file. So I'm gonna open the Google Sheet first on my phone. And then you just need to open any file that you want to have your comment edit. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, wait for it until it's open, and then it has been opened. You just need to click on this icon. For example, you just need to click on the what is it called, cells or column or rows that you want to add comment, and click on the plus icon at the top, and then click on comment. You can just write your comment right here, or if you want to mention a certain account, a certain person, so for example your colleague or your friends, you just need to click on this and then choose the account just like that, and then for example just like that, and then click on the send icon, and your friend or your colleague will be notified about this. Okay, so that is, for me, that is how to add comment to your Google Sheet file. I hope this was helpful, and if you like the video, don't forget to click like. If you got any question, feel free to leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.